Welcome back to my channel Clout SaaS. Today we are going to see how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server. Just type download SQL Server 2022. Okay. Go to the download page here. Should be the Microsoft website. Just download this SQL Server 2022 Express is a free edition of SQL Server. Just click download here, and the download has been started. Just click on the .exe file. Yes. Here, select this installation type as basic. And just accept this, and the location will be here, the file will be installed over there, and if you want change you can just browse and change the location here, and the file size is 278 MB. Just click install. So initially it started downloading the install packages. So now the installation has been completed successfully. Now you can see the version and the pictures of installed media folders and all everything, and the SQL installation log folders also, and the connection string. Now before we just go on connect, now we need to install SSMS. So just click on install SSMS. You get a new window, and here just go to down. Here it's a download SSMS. So just click on this downloads. The file is getting started to download. So the download has been completed. Just open the folder. Just click on this file SSMS setup. So this is the location the file get placed. If you want to change, just click change here and select the path, and just click on install. So the setup has been completed. Just click on close. Now just minimize this and just give SQL Server. Just go to this SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on open here. So the server type database engine, server name it is like this, the server name let it be like this, and here under the connection security there is an encryption which is shows as mandatory. Just change it to optional and just click on connect. So it has been connected, and there is no database. Just go to new query. Maybe let us create a new database here. Just type create database and name it as Clout SaaS. Just run this. So the database has been created. Just click refresh. See, the Clout SaaS DB has been created. Thanks for watching.